welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just going to pretty much be a grocery shop and cook with us. So we are about to leave our house and go to the grocery store. What are they? What? Everything that we are using for tonight set aside. Okay, so for tonight we are making stir fry. We are doing this honey garlic chicken that I found on Pinterest, and it looks super good, and we're gonna get started on that soon. Okay, so we have the vegetables cooked, and then we're getting ready to do the chicken. I think Mallory and I are gonna work on the sauce while my mom does the chicken. Okay, Mal, so we gotta start on our sauce, okay? So first things first, we have to add 1/4 of chicken broth, okay? Can you do that? I'm gonna pour it in here. A lot of soy sauce, isn't it? Thank you. Pour it. Whee! Alright, next what do we need? We need our honey. So 3 tablespoons of honey. You're gonna go ahead and mix that? Thank you. Alright, let's go get a tablespoon. Okay, ready? So we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of honey. I'm kind of struggling. Oh my god. Alright. Alright. Biscuit. Oh, you're gonna use that? Okay, cool. Let's get together. Yay! Okay, so I definitely got some honey in my hair during that process. We have the vegetables and chicken all put together. We just added the sauce. Okay, so this is just finishing up, and then we have some rice going in the microwave. Okay, so we're eating now. All right, Mallory, here's the official taste test. How is it? Just finished up dinner, and now we are kind of playing around, but we are gonna go ahead and log off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.